Hi, I'm Mark with the NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com. Today's history lesson is on Decko Products. Decko Products is located up in Minnesota, and they are a hardware supply company. The supply side that they do well with are small mom and pop operated hardware stores that are located in the smaller communities throughout the United States. They sell a line of Decko hardware and Decko parts under their own name. Where our relationship with them runs deep is they make a garage door opener that's called a Decko, and we have a full line of repair parts and transmitters for their Decko line of operators. So if you need something for a Decko operator, you should be able to find it on our website. If not, give us a call. We'll help you find it.
NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com offers products by Decko. We carry the operators, remote transmitters, wireless keypads, and replacement parts. If you have any questions, please contact us by chat or give us a call today. Thank you.